If you want to extract frames from a video with VLC quickly and for free, this tutorial is going to walk you through the exact steps. VLC Media Player is a simple tool that many people already have installed, and it can save individual frames from any video as image files in just a few clicks. This is really useful if you want screenshots for thumbnails, tutorials, presentations, blog posts, or just to capture a specific moment from a video. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once it's open, go up to the top menu and click Tools, then choose Preferences. This is where you can control how VLC behaves and where it saves your extracted images. In the Preferences window, select the Video tab. This tab contains the settings for video playback, display, and snapshots. Now look for the section called Video Snapshots. Here, you need to choose a directory where VLC will save the extracted frames. Click Browse or select the folder path and choose a location that will be easy for you to find later, like your Pictures folder or a dedicated folder for snapshots. Choosing a clear location now will make it much easier to find your images after saving them. Once you've selected the folder, click Save to apply the settings. Now, VLC is ready to store any snapshots you take from your videos. Next, open the video you want to work with in VLC. You can do this by dragging the file into the player or using the media menu to open the video directly. When the video starts playing, move to the exact frame you want to capture. You can use the play button, the timeline, or the keyboard to get as close as possible to the moment you need. If you want a precise frame, it's usually best to pause the video right when it reaches the image you want to save. Once you've paused on the frame you want to extract, go to the top menu again and click Video. Then choose Take Snapshot. VLC will instantly capture that frame and save it as an image in the folder you selected earlier. You'll usually see a quick preview or confirmation depending on your system, which lets you know the snapshot was saved successfully. If you want more than one frame, just repeat the same process. Pause on the next frame, click Video, then Take Snapshot again. You can do this as many times as needed to capture multiple still images from the same video. This is especially handy for ads if you need several screenshots from different parts of a clip. After you've taken all your snapshots, open the folder you chose earlier to access the extracted image files. You should see the saved frame images there, ready to use however you need. From there, you can rename them, move them into another folder, or upload them into your project. And that's it. You now know how to extract frames from a video with VLC in a simple and efficient way. It's a great feature, and once you know where the snapshot folder is, the whole process becomes really easy. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.